Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BAG token. Ticker symbol is BAG. Name of the token, TEH BAG, but ticker symbol is BAG. This token came out a little while ago, but I did notice this token is number 2 right now in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap for the past 30 days. So in the past 30 days, this token has gone up 5,501.6%, doing insane. This is very much a meme token, but it looks like it does have some utility here as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the BAG token, it's an Ethereum token. You can find it listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, probably a whole bunch of other coin listing sites. Now, how you get this token if you wanted to get it is you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the BAG token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their Etherscan webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second here. And there's another way to get this token. It also was recently, in the past month or so, listed on Bitmart. So you can get this token on Bitmart as well. You just download Bitmart, which is a central exchange from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open a Bitmart account, fund that with USDT, go into the trade section and search BAG, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the BAG token. Now, I think Bitmart was their initial central exchange listing, their primary listing, and I don't know if they've had any other ones since, so that might be the only central exchange so far. Even according to CoinGecko, right now today, this token is up 4%, doing well today. It says, but there is a warning here on CoinGecko that you should be aware of. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract where you can change tax rates post-deployment. So just be aware that they can change tax rates. You never know how high they can change them. It could be sketchy, so just be aware of that and thoroughly do your own research before getting this token. Now, on CoinGecko, they also have Medium articles you could check out. They have Twitter on here as well and a Telegram. Their webpage is tehbag.com. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put that up in the corner of the page there so you guys can easily find that. Now, besides that, their official webpage, tehbag.com. That's where you're going to find 90% of the information on here. It says, we are the movement. BagBot. So they do have a utility called BagBot on here. By the way, their Twitter has 13,300 followers, and they just joined in January 2023. So they're doing pretty well on their socials. Blue verified checkmark, 990 posts. Very active on Twitter here, and you can find it at TEH_BAG, and that's the one I'm going to put up there. And they also have a Telegram, 5,586 members on their Telegram at TEH_BAG on Telegram. So, BagBot is an AI-powered, fully autonomous and decentralized live mentions and rating bot for crypto communities. So at the very top of their page, they have a link to their OpenSea where you could check out NFTs. You could buy bag NFTs. They have a link to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, a link to Uniswap, a link to stats, and a link to use the bag bot. If you want to use their utility bot here, you could do that. They also have a link to staking, LP staking, chart. They have an audit. They have a document section, token section, like so much stuff on here. You would think like this is just some dumb meme coin, but even a very well put together web page with all sorts of cool graphics on it and everything. So yeah, definitely check this out. And that's most likely why it is number 2 in the past 30 days for tokens on the rise. So it says, powered by the BAG token. BAGBot is an AI-powered, fully autonomous, and decentralized live mentions and rating bot for crypto communities. BAGBot utilizes AI to automatically find viral Twitter and Telegram posts, alert about them, raid them with the community, and execute buybacks and burns, all using the simple UI of a Telegram bot. So it has real-time alerts about social media mentions of your project, both for tweets and Telegram calls, just like a buy bot, but for tweets and calls. Rating missions, manually and automatically create rating missions with an automatic execution of buyback and burn bounties using Bag Bank. And then automatic detection. Excuse me. Automatically detect viral posts and FUD and suggest raid missions to engage with them. Create targets for likes, retweets, mentions, comments, and many more things to keep the community always engaged, both on Twitter and Telegram. Price and return on investment improvement. Maximize ROI and improve the price movement through automated buyback and burn programs designed specifically to increase the project's buying pressure and loyalty for users. And then trending on Twitter. Increase the probability of your project to trend on Twitter by automatically increasing the visibility of your project's hashtags, cash tags using BagBot AI. So the BagBot impact, a real impact in the crypto community and economy. So 76% of the projects that used BagBot in the beta phase experienced 50 to 450% growth in their price starting from the first day of usage, plus a significant growth of users, both on Telegram groups and Twitter pages, keeping the community more engaged, leading to a high increase of viewing members, posting members, and online members, getting trending on Twitter officially, an increase of up to 5,000% in your Twitter analytics, increasing the followers, views, and engagement on social media, and organically increasing followers and views from the community. So all sorts of cool things here. There's burning, it says, for this token. Total supply was 1 billion tokens. And yeah, there's staking. Contact email if you need it at the bottom of their page. Check it all out. Tehbag.com. And you can find this token on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, all over the place. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the BAG token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.